Hi, to change time zone and region on the Samsung Galaxy A34, you would need to open Settings and then scroll a bit to go in the General Management tab. After that, select Date and Time, and now you can see this Automatic Date and Time section, which you need to disable, and you'll be able to change the time zone and region. So go in the date and switch to another date, then tap the done button to save the changes. And as for the time, you can just swipe up or down to find the right time, and after that set it with the help of this down button, and now you can see the changes in the upper left corner. Let's try this one more time, and you can see that the time switched. Also, you can disable this automatic time zone and select another region. Here, just choose any region from the list, for example, Australia, and after that, you will be able to just simply switch to this new time zone. Here, you can also enable this feature, use 24-hour format, and now you can see the changes. So to go back to normal, you need to enable automatic date and time, and then automatic time zone. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.